Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy salsa dip. To begin, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll want about 5 ripe, medium-sized tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget a handful of fresh cilantro and 1 jalapeno pepper, which you can seed for less heat. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a vibrant and flavorful salsa. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to chop and combine them. Carefully dice your tomatoes, onion, and jalapeno into small, consistent pieces. Mince the garlic and finely chop the fresh cilantro. Once everything is chopped, gently combine all these vibrant ingredients in a large mixing bowl. A crucial step for that fresh, tangy taste is to squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lime, which really brightens up the flavors. With all your fresh ingredients combined, it's time to season your salsa to perfection. Start with about 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra layer of warmth and earthiness, add a small pinch of ground cumin. Now, give it a good stir and taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or even a dash of your favorite hot sauce if you prefer a spicier kick. Personalizing the flavor is key. Finally, your delicious homemade salsa is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows all those wonderful ingredients to meld and deepen their flavors. Once chilled, serve your vibrant salsa with your favorite crispy tortilla chips, or use it as a fresh topping for tacos or grilled chicken. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, keeping it fresh for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.